this template is the survey sentiment analysis. And the purpose of this template is to take your survey data and put it through an AI text generator to be able to analyze each person's response and say if they're positive, negative, or neutral. And so I did a survey a couple months ago, and I interviewed several different consultants about their thoughts on AI if it helps them gain a competitive advantage. And so I ran it through this system and got their responses, whether it was positive, neutral, or negative. And so this has probably been one of my favorite templates because it summarizes a lot of text in one area, but not only summarizes it, analyzes it, and are able to put 60 plus people into different categories. And so you can use the pull data node right here. And it's going to take all of my information from a Google Sheet. I had people fill out the survey on a Google form, and that puts it immediately into a Google Sheet. And I can pull that Google Sheet into our system here and be able to use that in the flow. And so if it's not working, you can also use a text box. I have that here. But it's best if you're able to use the Google Sheet. Maybe if you have it on a different source, you can be able to use the text box and copy and paste the free response data, or you can use an API caller and put that data in here. And so here, it's ranking every single one if it was positive or negative. Just simply like that. It just takes every single response. Is this one positive? Is this one negative? And that outputs here. And then it takes the information from there and the original information, and then gives a summary of every single positive response and puts it into one category. And then every single neutral response puts it in one category, and every negative response. And so we have 37 positive responses, 16 neutral responses, and 2 negative responses. And so we can be able to get a final summary here of the entire survey, that the majority of respondents have a positive sentiment towards using AI in consultancy, seeing benefits such as increased efficiency, scalability, automation of mundane tasks, improved productivity, and competitive advantage. And so free response data is really hard to sort through, and you can be able to go through it yourself and find these same things, but you could also run it through the system and be able to speed that process up. And it's not going to be perfect, but you're going to be able to see insights and generate different things that you wouldn't otherwise be able to do on your own, and just going to be able to help your productivity. And so a lot of these consultants felt that same way. Over 2/3 of them did. And it's helped me a ton to be able to find results on things that would have taken me hours at a time. And instead I can be able to speed them up in just a couple minutes. So try it out yourself, see if it works. And that's everything here. Thanks.